morning. Good morning, trader. Good morning. Good morning. Apologies for my lateness. Mine's is sick, innit? Mine's is sick. Woke up a little bit late, so I'm gonna go straight into the breakdown. Let's not waste too much time here. It looks like GJ been moving. All right, I wanted to wake up for the news on the pound at 2. All right, was it at 2? At 3, but I was not able to. I slept straight through my alarm clock, man. Yeah, it is what it is. Okay, let's go. Let's start our analysis. So starting with the monthly, right? So this is what we've been expecting, right? We expected, we've tapped into our 188.5 levels, right? Now we're looking for this. We're looking for a similar move to this here, right? We're expecting to continue pushing back up until we tap into these levels. This 192.5 levels, right? Whether that's gonna do it in one shot, or if it's still gonna, we're still gonna see some pullbacks on the way up, we don't know yet, right? But yeah, we're looking to continue the buys here. So weekly, right? The weekly created a bottom wick first, right? Broke these lows, and previous weekly also never closed. Well, we rejected off this area, right? We rejected off this level. Okay, so this is a key level. Yeah, so we rejected off this level. We closed bearish, but still inside this range. Now the first thing we did, we came down, created a bottom wick, and now we're pushing up, right? Can we continue to push up for the rest of the week? We will see. We will see. Okay, daily. So daily close bullish respect. All right, so daily close bullish respect. Yeah, man, I wish I woke up for London, huh? It is what it is. So daily close bullish respecting. We've created the bottom wick, right? The only thing you have to be careful about here is we've still technically not closed below or closed above this level, right? So at any point here we could flip and continue driving back down, or start ranging within this level. So you want to keep that in mind, right? But I do believe we're good to take buys here. I do believe we're good to take buys here, right? It's just based off of this. When we rejected here the last time, we got to this level minimum before we made this pullback, right? So I mean, how many pips is this? We still have a good 20 pips left, right? So maybe on the lower time frames, if we can start seeing the pullbacks now, right, we might get some entries to fill the rest of the range up, right? Yeah, 4 hour, right? Price is pushing here. So 4 hour, let's look levels. Yeah, I like this level. Yeah, I see price pushing, but it's not gonna do me any good to forsake my analysis or rush my analysis, right? Even if there is an entry, it's not gonna do me any good if I don't know what exactly is going on. Okay, so I mean, in terms of the 4 hour levels, overall levels, I would say is here, right? Okay, so we've had rejection from there before. Talking tapped in. So I'll consider the overall levels. So that's here. Yeah, because 4 hour, if it breaks above this, then there's this, then there's that. So I could actually use this. Yeah, so yeah, I'll consider these my levels, right? I'll consider this my levels. This 189.5, I'll consider it more of a So not a key level. I mean, yeah, we have had rejection of the level. So no, okay. So this is what I'm gonna consider for my 4-hour levels. Now let's look at the hourly, right? So technically, I am bullish. I am bullish. Yeah. I mean, the daily close bullish, but respecting, right? So bullish respecting. We could flip at any moment, but we've already made this bottom wick. And I understand it's not like we broke these. I mean, if we broke these lows and then flip, I would say okay, for sure we're gone, right? But we could flip back into the range at any point in time here, right? But current momentum in the markets for the session, right, I believe is bullish, right? So I would be willing to start taking buys if I am presented the opportunity. And then in terms of sells, just to be safe, I would have I think I'd consider this level for sells. Yeah, break below there, come back, retest. Yeah, so range 1, range 2 basically. So yeah, let me see this. What's this on the hourly? Comes down. I mean, I guess you could make a case for nah. I would want to be in there sooner. It's these two. Yeah, the range aren't always they aren't always the cleanest. But now I'm gonna consider, I think, yeah, I'm gonna consider these as my level, as my levels. I'm not yeah, I'm not gonna be looking for sales until we break below 189.3. And even then it's a sketchy little area, the way price closed in and around. Recently it's good, right? It's a lot cleaner on the recent, but if you go back, yeah, you have a few other, it's not exactly but nah, yeah, I'll consider this as my levels for now. Let's see, range going up, we have, I'd say this minimum. Well, we did tap into this as well, so yeah, I'd say we got up to there. Yeah, we got a little bit of room to go up. Got a little bit of room to go up here. And I'm gonna put this just in case, right? But yeah, nah, I don't see myself taking anything there, bro. Nothing whatsoever. I put this here instead. So yeah, these are my levels. These are my levels. So now we're creating I mean, it's good that we're creating a bottom wick here, right? It's good that we're creating a bottom wick, especially if we're looking to continue to drive up. It's good that we're creating a bottom wick, but this whole candle could just flip and continue to drive back down. So you want to pay attention to that as well. And it's already 8 o'clock, so yeah. So we've taken out the lows on the 30-minute. Are we gonna start flipping here or no? We'll see. We will see. 15, 30. Yeah. Oh, we'll see. We shall see. Let's move on to gold. Real quick. Gold looks fairly simple. So monthly bullish. I'm gonna just speed run it. Weekly bullish. All right, daily bullish. So previous daily close bearish. We haven't really had ranges form here on the daily, right? So for all we know, this respected something. This respected a level, and we're still bullish. We just had a bearish closure, right? So overall, we are still bullish. We are looking, just based off of the daily, right? We're still looking to continue to push up. The 4-hour, it held support, right? This level held support. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 candles, right, that closed at this level. So I mean, similar thing happened last time, right? We had one, well, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 6 shot up, right? So that was the initial touch into the level. Well, I guess I just count the candles in it. Yeah, so like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So almost similar. This one seems to be driving up on the 5, but I mean, if you don't consider this initial breakout, then it's gonna be the 5th one as well. So it'll be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? So very possible we start pushing up here, similar to this move over here. But we'll see. We will see. So daily 4-hour. So that is a level, right? So yeah, so the daily pretty much closed at that level, right? So I would say, so buys for our, yeah, so in terms of buys, right, I'd be looking to buy there. Sells, because we made that whole, yeah, I think sells below there, and then I could start seeing some buys around these areas here. Yeah, let's see what we can do with these levels. Let's see what we can do with these levels. 15, 30. Yeah, okay. Yeah, let's see what we can let's see what we can do with these levels real quick. 1 second, chat. 1 second. Okay. All right. Let's see what we can do with these levels. News wise, there's no more news for the day. Yeah, all the heavy news was in London for the pound. Tomorrow though we have CPI, right, or PPI, and then jobless claims as well. Whole lot of jobless individuals, you know, including myself. I go to school. I don't got a job. I got bills. I gotta pay. What is this? This today? Oh, okay. We got some yellow folders at 10:30, but yeah, we're not gonna be here at 10:30, and they're yellow folders, so not too worried about them. Hey, yeah. Yeah, so 15:30. Yeah, I have to update current profits, right? Well, I'll update it at the end of the stream in case we take a trade. In case we take a trade here. So okay, gold pushing here. Gold is pushing here. That's gold. What's GJ doing? So GJ took the lows of the 30. Just barely took the lows there. What did this hourly close above? Close respecting this area right here. Interesting. All right, so this would be 30. What's this range right here? 7 pips. Interesting. Oh, my fault, chat. My fault. Yeah, I was just looking at this minor level here. If we could capitalize on a break of this level, but this range is like 7 pips. Well, it's more than 7 pips, but we need to close very precisely so that we have enough room to actually, play in the range. Oh man, yeah. Sorry for the late entry today. My whole nose is blocked, man. Yeah, so the 15 minutes is closed. Okay. In gold. Okay, so 15, 30. So we're gonna be waiting on the 30 here. So let's see what the 30 brings. The 820 is gonna bring in some volume on gold, hopefully. And then 830 might do something as well. So let's see. Let's see what happens here in the next few minutes. All right, we're back. Oh, I didn't put a AFK, my fault. We back. So we're waiting on the 30 minute. Yeah, gold seems to be moving a little bit. Hey. Right, my fault. Oh. GJ. Okay. So DJ's new 15 just came down. No top wick, right? Interesting. Very interesting. That's the 4-hour rejecting off of that level, right? We tapped into this level and now we're just rejecting. We're straight rejecting. So I'm gonna move this. I'm gonna take this away actually. I guess it doesn't. I'm just leave it there for now. We'll see what happens. Definitely no wick entries right now, right? So that's not the issue. Times, bro. I'm bugging. All right. Okay, so yeah, I get the shout for the flip to get in on the flip, but because if we're gonna flip here, right? I mean, we already created a top wick, which is still okay, right? We came all the way down here. Have we tapped into? Do we tap into this level? Yeah, we sort of did, right? Yeah, so we tapped into the bottom of the range, and so if we flip here, what are the chances we don't fill the rest of the range up, right? Especially if we flip on this 30 or the 30 close. Very high chance we fill up the rest of the range. Very likely we fill up the rest of the range here, huh? Okay, we'll see. We will see. We will see. Hourly 30. Yeah. Okay, yeah. So we're just waiting for the 30-minute close. Not much else we can do right now. Not much else we can do right now. So gold looks like it's pushing the status quo. Okay. Okay, interesting. Interesting on gold, man. You got 6 minutes before the 30 closer. Now, can I take these buys on gold? That is the question. 30-minute. Okay. Yeah, 4 hours kept on going. Yeah, so let's see how this 30 closes. Once we get this 30 to close, yeah, let's see how the 30 closes. Once we get the 30 to close, we'll be looking for basically this. Oh man, just sneezed like a dunya. Okay. So once we get the 30 to close, we'll be looking for a breakout of this level, you know, a pullback, and then the drive up to fill the rest of the range. No hour, 30-minute. GJ rejected off that level. Nice. Yeah, so 30 closer in about 4 minutes here. Look alive, look alive. We might see some entries. We might see some entries pretty soon here. Let me see. Stocks. Mm-hmm. 3 minutes. Let me see, delete that. Okay. Chat. Okay, 3 minutes. Bruh, tell me why my Clippers blew a 22-point lead, bruh. In the worst way possible. Crazy. Okay, there goes our closure on the 30-minute. There goes our closure on the 30. Okay, interesting open. Boring closure, but interesting open. Okay, so this 30-minute never flipped on GJ, right? So now you would be looking for a, yeah, you really want to close her above this whole ranges. I mean, price might just range, to be honest, because I mean, we moved in London. We moved a lot in London. And oftentimes when you have movement, when you have expansion during, say, Asian and London, New York tends to range, right? And I believe we did have moves in both Asian and London, right? So that would be, was it 12? Right, so 12. Nah, it's one cycle though. Yeah, so 8 o'clock. I mean, we had this move during Asian, this little drop here, but I don't know if you call that a move per se, but yeah, and even the London move it's not crazy, right? It's not a crazy move, but we did have, right? We had higher lows, higher highs. Let's see here though, because if we're gonna push up here, this is really good. All right, we're basically clearing out. We're just, I mean, the deeper the pullback before the push up, the better, right? But we do still need to push up. This candle needs to close bullish for us to start considering buys off rip. A 30-minute no top wick. Check out gold, tapped into that level, rejected. Yeah, so we wait a little bit. So I'll be on till 9:30 minimum, just because I was late, of course. 30 minutes late, we gotta stay 30 minutes extra. Oh boy. Yeah, sorry I'm not very talkative today. I am doing a little bit of multitasking. You're lying. Word? Yo, Derrick Henry going to the Ravens? Nah, that's a lie. That is a lie, bro. To be honest, man, the Ravens team, they always look like the next, like the next season after I mean, I don't want to say they choke, but I mean, they choke, bro. Like, it's not their fault though. It's the script writers, man. It's the script writers. They just don't shut up no love, bro. That's basically the character arc they are trying to build for Lamar in the NFL plots, you know. Say he led the best team 2-3 years in a row and he still fell short. Now can he finally do it? And then there'll be a whole, you know, there'll be a whole documentary of how they were building, trying to build the team that won the championship eventually. You know, we'll see all the ins and outs, the reasoning behind certain moves they made, all of that. It'll be a nice, what's that, 4 for 40, right, on ESPN or something like that. The documentary, yeah, tough. I can't wait for LeBron's last dance, man. I don't even know. Do they have a? I don't know if they already have a documentary based off the 2016 finals, 2017. Basically the Warriors LeBron era, the Warriors versus LeBron era. Cause that's that 3-1 comeback. That's something. That's history right there, man. Yeah, that documentary. Oh, bro. LeBron's doc, Steph's doc. Oh my goodness, it's gonna be fuego. It's gonna be fuego. All right, 15 minutes about to close. Well, not about to. 7 minutes left. We got 7 minutes left for the 15. Yes, sir. So the account is looking. I mean, it's looking healthy. Can you imagine, bro? God did, man, for real. God did, for real. I was about to lose the account, and then we managed to save it, and now we're seeing a steady climb up. But hey, at any point in time here, that could just, you know, that could just start heading back down the other way. All right, so we don't put too much value in seeing our chart. I mean, you want your graph to be, you know, uptrending, right? You want your progress to be evident, but at the same time, you can't put too much stake into that. You can't put too much value in that, because then you're gonna start doing certain things just for, you know, just so that you can have a win to show, right? You can have a W to show on your trade history, right? And then once you take that loss and you see your graph dip below, then you start panicking, right? Because all your value is based off of this visual representation, right, of quote unquote your progress. But only you can really know. I mean, you could be a losing trader but still be, you know, progressing, right? Because if you're learning something from the losses, right, overall, what's the goal? The goal is to learn a skill, right? The more mistakes you can make at the beginning, what is that thing? I forget what it's called, but the more mistakes you can make at the beginning, the better you are, or the faster you're gonna learn. Those the not steeper. Yeah, is it steeper? The steeper your learning curve is gonna be, or is it shallower? I don't know. Basically, if you can work out the kinks early on, you'll be a lot better moving forward. Right? Some people pick up the skills quick, some people not so much, right? But I'd be damned if somebody tells me, well, I wouldn't be damned. I don't want to be damned. But nah, it's very rare to see a case where someone just, you know, they find a strategy and that's the end of the story, right? They find a strategy and they start taking trades and they're just profitable, right? It's I mean, I'm sure there are people like that, but it's very few and in between. Is that even English? I don't know, man. I'm hella tired, guys. I'm not gonna cap. Mad tired. You know when you wake up later than you're usually used to, even though you get more sleep, you're not, I don't know. It's almost like I didn't even sleep, you know? I wanna fly. Sporticas. I wanna fly. Okay, so we're waiting. Something is about to close. The 15-minute closes in about 2 minutes. Yo, they got them in India too? Bomba. Hey, yo. Okay. Ah. Nah. Okay, 15 close coming up. 15 close coming up. Yeah, today might be a slow one. I'm not gonna lie. Today might be a slow one still. Might be a slow one. Well, we're about to have the 4-hour close here, right? So the final 15 minutes of the 4-hour, we should see, well, we are likely to see price push in a certain direction, either as a pullback or towards a breakout. But I doubt we'll be breaking any new levels at this point. Let's see though. If this 30 just starts booming and we close bullish above, yeah, then I'll be in with the buys for sure. In with the buys for sure. Yeah, so we're just waiting on the closer here. There's nothing really to take right now. All right, we came down. What do we do there? Came down for 4 hours. I mean, I'm looking at this gold. Yeah, I'm looking at gold. And what I'm seeing right now is if we break these highs, we're most likely gonna drive up all the way, no? That's 30 minutes. Let me see the hourly. Yeah, so that's the hourly. We're breaking its own highs. Final 15 of the 4-hour. That's the hourly. We're breaking its high. 4-hour. We're breaking its high. Daily. We're breaking its high. 1 hour. Did this? Let me see here. Tap in, so it was above. So yeah, we'll wait on the closure here, but I do believe if we start pushing here, especially, I mean, the faster it happens, the more likely. But if we start pushing here and we break these highs on this hour, on this same hour, we're most likely gonna kill this whole range. We're most likely just gonna kill this whole range going to the top side, 30 for 30 pips. So let's see what happens there though. Let's see what happens there. Oh my goodness, I feel the roof. Feel like yeah, let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. So I'll be right back. Be right back. I just wanna Okay, so we got 30 seconds left for the close. Yeah, it doesn't look like nothing off rip anyways. All right, nothing off rip. Oh yeah, I forgot these are all-time high territory. Yeah, it's not looking like a very exciting day, huh? Okay, so 4-hour close there. So we did close into this range, right? We created a bottom wick, but now we flipped 30, 15. So this level did hold, right? The level held. Let's see how this next 15-minute candle closes. Yeah, let's see how the next 15 candle closes. Either that, or if we continue pushing down to say these levels. If we continue pushing down to these levels, I might consider the wick entry. I might consider it. But yeah, for the most part, we're waiting on the 15. But if we start dropping down here to tap into these levels, okay, I probably won't consider the wick entry, but the flip would be nice. The flip would be nice. We could drive off of here, to be honest, because I mean, came down, we tested. One sec. My fault, chat. Oh man. Had to how to deal with something. Okay, so we're back. So we're looking to see how this 15 is gonna close. Your safest play is a closer above here, right? But in terms of having the best entry, you would like to see something inside this range, right? Because now we've come down, we've held support here. 15 close, 15, 5. Okay. Yeah, let's see how this develops here. But the cleanest move would be outside of all these ranges, right? But let's see. We'll see. So I mean, I'm here till 9:30, but I don't like the current movement and price is not the best. It's not the best. We look for love, no time for tears. Wasted water's all that is. With you. Yo, Wallahi, I was born in the wrong era, man. Wallahi. But I was there back in the, you know? Okay, no, that's a lie. That's a lie. God forbid. No, I think I like the era I was born in, actually. Never mind. Hey, look for love, no time for tears. With water's all there is. I wanna spend some time with you. Yeah, don't worry. I'm working on getting out some reels. You know, getting some reels out there. I was thinking of making one video at least just to be on the channel, but I don't know what type of video. Yeah, I mean, I guess I don't need to yeah, I don't need to go too beginner friendly, and I don't need to make it too complicated, right? I could just make a video on entries, on say, or not entries, on price action, right? I could just make a price action video. Like, okay, this is where breakouts are. This is what they signify. Or yeah, this is what they signify within the market, all of that. And yeah, man. We look for love, no time for tears. Wasted water's all that is. I wanna spend some time with you. I was listening to that song yesterday, man. That's on in my head. Yeah. Don't forget, leave a like, subscribe. If you're watching the live or you're watching the recorded video, just if you like what you see. I mean, it's not as lit. We haven't reached our ceiling yet, right? We're still building the foundation right now, so don't worry. And it's all about time, you know? God's time. It's not my time, it's God's time. Yes, sir. Okay, so Yeah, gold is highly likely to range or stay within the range, especially with no news. I mean, there's still 9:30 as well, right? So there's NYSE open as well. SE, sorry, NYSE. Let's see. Yeah, the 30 is gonna be key here. 30 is gonna be key. Yeah. We just waiting. Bruh. The human body is capable of a lot of BS, bro. By BS, I mean some cool shit. That's why I'm trying to get in the gym, dog. I'm trying to get buff. Trying to get swole, bro. Hey, yo. Yeah, that's tough. Huh. Now I'm looking at the way praying manti, praying mantises, praying manti. I don't know. I'm looking at the way they make, bro. That's crazy. The female bites off the dude's head, and then the neural response for doing the devil's tango, it stays active even though his head is taken out. So he just, what I mean, he hitting it from the back while she munching on his head. Yeah, that's crazy. That's a crazy statement. Crazy. Okay, so 15 minutes. $15. Let's see what this 15-minute about to do. I should get into some jujitsu. Fuck. Jujitsu. Goddamn. Jujitsu. What? Jujitsu. Some nice elevator music, no? Okay, so 15-minute close did nothing as well. Yeah, this might be a dry day, guys. I'm not gonna lie. I mean, no wonder I knew this was gonna happen. This is why I was late today, you know. I knew this is exactly what was gonna happen, you know. But you know, I'm such a nice guy. That's why I'm staying the extra 30s. I'm just such a nice guy. Yeah, so I mean, mm-hmm. Padu, anything for the passport, dog. Oh, never mind. My fault. Okay, nah. My fault. All right, so mm-hmm. Okay, all right. Yeah, so I mean, not much I could do unless I can call Powell. There's not much I can do here. It's just ranging. To be honest, even if this hour, even if this 30-minute closes below, for me to start taking sells, yeah. Let me see. Yeah, the sells are not preferred at the moment. I'm not gonna lie. Sales are not preferred at the moment, even though that does look like where we're headed. In this case, range 1, range 2 would be this, right? So I'm actually gonna just extend that. Yeah, I'm just gonna extend that and then keep that there. Yeah, let's see how this closes here. Man, I really love trading, man. I really love it. I really love trading. Bomba. Yeah, I think I'm gonna start writing up a okay, no, never mind. I'm a piano. Bro, this man is using a 2-pound jump rope. 2-pound jump rope. Let that sink in. 2-pound jump rope. Bruh. Yo. Nah, that's crazy, son. Wallahi, I know say I have the capacity to become like you know the build I want to go for. I'm trying to get that Bugsy Malone build, dog. Just top heavy, dog. Top heavy, son. Speaking of top heavy, we dropping here. Not sure what that correlates with, but yeah, so we're dropping here. I mean, this would be a nice bottom wick on the 4-hour, right? So okay, so yeah, if we're looking for a bottom wick, this would be nice. This would be a very good bottom wick. Now, can we flip, or are we gonna continue driving down? There's no point for me to be here past 9:30 if we don't get any potential moves here. So yeah, to take buys here, I need this 30 to flip. To take like buys at the 30, right? I would need the 30 to flip. So now we're below there. below there as well. Yeah, so 1 hour 34 hours. So we've tapped into the level that I was looking to tap into. Right now we have 4 minutes left in this 30. I'm actually gonna put a buy stop. Well, let me not say it until, so I'm not putting a buy stop yet, but okay, let me see. Hourly, the previous 4 hour, down there, and then you got this much range going up. Yeah, so we have 4 minutes left for the 30 to close. I'm actually gonna have a buy stop. Yeah, I'm actually gonna put in a buy stop right now. Most likely I'll close the buy stop before, but in case if this 30-minute flips, I would not mind being in there. I would not mind being in there at all. Right, so I'm gonna have a buy stop at about 189.42. All right. Yeah, so I'm gonna have a buy stop there. Oh, hold up. 42. Actually have to 189.42 for how many pips is it? So 50. So I'll say 0.45. So 45. Yeah, so setting the buy stop is more for just in case, but I mean highly unlikely. Right, highly unlikely we flip. Right, so very highly unlikely we flip here before the 30-minute close, but just in case we do have our buy stops there. But in about a minute, so we need to flip in about 1 minute. And you see how this minute closed as well, no bottom wick. If this next minute also closes no bottom wick bullish, well, never mind. As I was talking, I mean, that's gone in terms of that confluence is gone, but we still have a minute here, right? So let's see. We still have a minute. Now in terms of sales, right? Now sales get tricky. Sales get tricky because I mean, I understand we never actually close above this level, right? So this whole candle could flip at any time, right? So that's still a possibility, right? Yeah, so I'm just gonna delete the stops. We're definitely not flipping on the 30. Okay, so 4 hour, let me see, where would we go down to if we were to drive down here for a steeper wick? It's about these areas here. 30-minute. Yeah, man, I'm not a fan of the sales still. I'm really not, but it looks like we are gonna come down here. Let me see what gold is doing real quick. So gold's still inside the range. Yeah, we're just waiting for a closer above here on gold, to be honest. I like how gold is forming though. I like how it's forming. So this hour could give us something. The hourly close could give us something. I won't be here though. 2 1, so nada. So I mean, even if you consider this, yeah, still below hourly 15. Yeah, so we're gonna wait it out on gold. As for GJ, so we closed no bottom wick, open no bottom. I mean, we have a little bit of a bottom wick. Let me check my broker. What does that look like on the broker? Yeah, pretty much the same, right? It's like we have a miniature bottom wick on both candles. Let me see, hourly, 4 hour, 30 minute. Yeah, not the best formation here. Well, because we could still flip on this hourly, right? The hourly is still open, but now that we've had this closure below on the 30, right? We won't be able to. Well, I won't be able to get it off the. I mean, no, but then if we're looking at this as a 4-hour trade, right? This is still good. It's actually very good, right? As a 4-hour trade, because now you're tapping into these levels, right? So this is a good bottom wick. It's a really good bottom wick. If we flip here, vantage point to the top of the range is so not that much pips wise, but to the top of the previous highs, we do have at least 10 pips. Okay, interesting. Or is this the top wick to continue to drive down? Right, so these are all questions. But 30, no bottom wick, right? Close, no bottom wick. I guess we've made a little bit of a bottom wick here as well. So we're driving down off of this. Then that would be, so we'd look for a tap into there, then a flip, right? Yeah, so I'm gonna hop off here, but on gold, I'm basically just looking for a closer above here, right? Tap into here and then dip. So I'll most likely, I might take it on a 15, right? Or maybe even on a 5. We get a 5 closer and retest. If we have like a 5 candle close above and then another 5 closing respecting but not driving, I might get in on that, but it looks like most of the action might come at 10 o'clock. Yeah, we might be after the hourly close. So yeah, so gold, I'm looking for the buys. GJ, I'm also looking for the buys, but right now it looks like we might continue going down. If I'm to take sells, I would ideally want a tap into this level and then maybe a closer below, right? So if this 15 could tap into that level, still close below, respecting this level, and the next candle can close bearish but not drive all the way, then yeah, I'd consider that as well. But for the buys, I'm really looking at the 4-hour in terms of the buys, right? Because if we isolate just the 4-hour, this looks pretty good because we've driven off these levels before, right? That's why we're looking for price to tap in here before we take the buys. So we've tapped into this area. So now if we flip, I do reckon minimum we're gonna see the top of this range get tapped into, and then we might continue pushing up. I'm not sure, but minimum I would say we would see 189.5 get tapped into. So I think that's still a good enough vantage point for me. Yeah, but we would need to do that within I mean, you want a 15-minute. So if this 15-minute could close bullish above, next 15 comes down, creates a bottom wick, right? And then we start pushing up. I might even have an entry based off of the 15, right? I might take the entry on the flip of the new 15, right? But yeah, that's what I'm looking at right now. But we could very just as likely close bearish here. And yeah, so you know what, staying the extra minutes, it served a purpose yesterday, right? So I'm gonna stay till 10. All right, I'm gonna stay till 10. And yeah, so I'll be back in about 15 minutes. Oh, I didn't even look at the 15 on GJ. Oh, 15 closed. Did this, huh? Yeah, nah. There, wait. What was I looking at before? Oh, because it has no bottom wick. Oh yeah, I'm bugging. Yeah, nah. So yes, I gotta wait on it. Gotta wait on it. Okay. Oh, freaking close. Okay, so I'll be right back. All right, we back. We back. Wow, Guan, what we saying, Gold? Word. Damn, that's how you feeling? That's how you were feeling, Gold? Yeah, that might have been the move, guys. I'm not gonna lie. That might have been the move on gold. Yeah. That's TP's hit. That's TP's hit. Yeah, I missed the 5, huh? Yeah, it happens. Yeah. 4-hour daily as well. 15. So 20 seconds for the 15 close here. Let's see how this 15 closes. Okay, so what can we do with this? What can we do with this? The 15 close there. How did GJ close? Okay, so we closed bearish on the 15 on GJ, right? So after this, okay, so if we can get a, let me see what the 30 is saying, and that's the hourly as well. Damn, I'm really not feeling the sales, man, but that's what's currently happening. I'm not. Yeah. 15. Yeah, so if we could get price to come up here and take these highs and then we flip, I'll be looking to take those going down, but for now, I mean, it's a decent amount of pips. We still have a good bit of range to take advantage of here, but yeah, I'm gonna need that pullback. All right, and then gold tapped all the way up there. I mean, would I have taken this 5-minute closure? It's hard to say. Okay, so we just came down here. So we closed respecting what? What did we respect? That level, right? Looks like we're coming for the flip as well. Did we take out the hourly lows or no? Okay, so I mean, we're flipping here on the 15, right? But we didn't take out the lows, right? Didn't take out the lows. Yeah, 5-minute. My fault. One. Yeah, I cannot justify this flip here. Taking this off of the flip, I cannot quite justify it just yet, so we're gonna wait a little bit. We are going to make gonna wait a little bit. Okay, so I mean, 30, 15. So that gold thing could flip 15. Doing what? What's the 5 doing? Let's see how this 5 closes. I hope it closes very bearish, just so I don't have to use my brain anymore. I can shut off all functionalities. Okay. Que what's going on in these markets? Yeah, GJ is an hour thing, man. It's an hour thing on GJ. I'll wait on the hourly close, see Wagwan. And as for gold, yeah, gold. So the 5 closing what? Couple seconds. Let's see. Can we flip on the? I mean, if this 15 flips, you would think we would run up, right? You would reckon we would run up. All right. Mm-hmm. 15, 5. Okay, so I ain't even peeped the 5. So the 5 closed below here, right? So that's good because now I can turn off my brain. All right. Now I can turn off my brain. Yeah, so let's see. What I'm looking for here is ten four. Go DJ. Yeah, so let's wait for 10 o'clock to roll around here, guys. Yeah, after 10, we'll see what I want. If there's nothing immediately at 10, I'm gonna hop off. If there is, I will take it and wait. I mean, today my range regardless. All right. 5 minutes for a closer here. Let's see what we can get, or if we can get anything. I mean, if this hourly closes above here with this wick, really I just need a good bottom wick and then I could take the buys up, right? Yeah, and if this is the 15 as well, if this is what the 15 is looking like, I'd say I just need a bottom wick to where can I look for a bottom wick? My fault, because we already tapped that level, right? All right, we already tapped the level. Let me see. Tap the level. Oof, we rejecting heavy, huh? Okay. Oh yeah, this is, keep forgetting we're in all-time highs, man. So hourly 30. Yeah, so I would just need a rejection. It's just a matter of where am I looking for a bottom wick. Right here is minimum, right? Minimum right here. But let's see, we might close bearish here, so it wouldn't even matter if we close bearish. Hey, 3 minutes, 3 minutes, 3 minutes. Okay. Yeah, we're still pushing down here. I mean, I'm not gonna lie. Sells. I'm just gonna stay off sells on GJ. Well, okay, maybe no. Let me see. Yeah, I mean, for the sales to play out, there's a lot of things need to happen for me to consider sales, because I'm still looking at this as a more as a pullback than anything else. Yeah, let's see what this closure gives us though. Hey, hopefully it gives us a position. I'm looking at gold here. Gold currently looks like it has the highest chance of giving us a position, so we'll see what happens on gold here. Yo, time is short, man. Time is short for real. Time is short for real. Be humble. Hello. Sit down. minuto. Okay, so all right, so gold closing above here. So let's lock in. Oh man, couldn't it have closed a little bit clearer above? What is this? Okay, we could just push up, man, but I need a bottom wick. I need a bottom wick. I don't like that. I need a bottom wick on gold. On GJ, how do we close on GJ hourly? So the hourly closed bearish below my level, right? Man, GJ is tempting, right? GJ is tempting, but it's not in the direction I want it to be in, or it's not in the direction. Let me see, 4 hour. Let me see the 4. Yeah, this 4 hour looks like this is just a fat pullback, man. All right, let's stay with gold, man. Let's stay on gold. Okay, so just a minute. Hourly. Okay, let me see, what's the play on gold? So 5. So we did have a fake out here. Well, not really a fake out, but well, it is a fake out. 5, 15, 30. What was I looking for? My bottom wick area right here. Hey, so 15, 5. It's the minute. Yeah, let's see if we can get a bottom wick to here. I'll get in on the flip. I'll be in on the flip of the candle. If we can get a bottom wick. Yeah, we can get a bottom wick coming down, tap into these areas here. This 2165 area. If that can do all of that within the first 5 minutes and still close above on this 5, I'll probably just buy off rip, but we'll see. For now, this is I would say this would be the potential move, because if we're doing that, we're gonna fill this whole range, right? Minimum. Let me see what's the 4 hour saying. Yeah, so minimum we're gonna fill that range. Maybe tap into these levels here. So I'll have full TPs over here. In terms of stops, the 4 hour lows make sense, right? Because I mean, we wouldn't really be expecting to come back to these levels here. Okay, so I like the push that we just had. I mean, it looks like this 5 is coming back to flip. I do want the 5 to close bullish, but I would have preferred if we tapped that level first, though. I mean, it's not an exact tap, but it's not an exact level, right? It's just these, right? These ranges, because every single time we tap. This is like the median tap area, so to speak. Yeah, man, but a case can be made that we did tap. A case can be made. 5 minute. Interesting. Okay, so let's see. Let's see what this 5 does on gold there. 4 hour, 260 pips. 60, 3.33. Okay, so I'm gonna just put not in yet. Okay, so this 5 is gonna close bearish, right? Which is okay, I guess. So it's just still okay, because I mean, if we close bearish, no bottom wick. Okay, so we have no top wick. That's just a 5, right? Now that's flipping. Okay, so I like the tap in. And we have a bottom wick. We killed the bottom wick there. Okay, so I'm gonna have a buy stop. At on the break of the highs. I'm gonna have a buy stop. But I reckon I'm gonna move my. I mean, if we flip here, we're gonna drive down, so there's no point in moving my stop loss. Yeah, I'm gonna have a buy stop here. So what is this, gold? Yeah, so gold. Pips 60. So buy stop, say 2167.4, 2167.4. All right, so I currently have buy stops right here. All right, I don't know why I'm marking it up like that, but yeah, I currently have the buy stops set. So what I'm seeing here, I mean, it's even better if the fact that we pulled back all the way down here. I would have preferred to see it take out these lows, but we could still do that, right? So preferably we wanted to take out these lows and flip on this same 15-minute candle. If we close bearish on this 15 and we never get activated, I'm gonna delete the buy stops, right? But as of now, because of the way, I mean, this hourly closed, yeah, I mean, it's not the clearest close, right? It's not the clearest close, but, and to be honest, right, let me see, because this isn't really the level, right? Because if you notice, every time this level, it either just kept on falling, right? Because here it has no bottom wick. This one probably just kept on falling, right? And then over here we tapped into something there and then came back and we kept on falling. So really the level here is this, right? Really, this is the level, no? That's interesting. Let me see the 30. Yeah. Okay, so interesting. So we have taken the 30 lows or the 15 lows. We have taken the lows on the 15. Interesting. Yeah, man. Nah, I'm gonna delete I'm gonna delete the buy stops. Okay. I'm gonna delete the buy stops because I just moved some levels around, and now I'm not so sure we meet the criteria to start considering buys. Yeah, but yeah, 15-minute, if the 15-minute closes, since bruh, I have to stop extending the streams like this, man. I gotta stop extending the streams. But if the 15-minute closes now bullish, right? If we can have this 15-minute close bullish, then I'll be convinced to take the buys. But why I deleted the stops is because, so I basically moved my levels around, because if you notice here, right, 4 hour, you want to see the 4 is, yeah, that's the 4 right there, right? And we're rejecting off the 4, right? We're rejecting off the 4 right now. I mean, yeah, we're the momentum was bullish, but we never actually, because this level held, but we never actually closed above, well, even this range that I'm considering over here, this is all-time highs, you know. This is all-time highs, so it's not really a 4-hour level. This level is based off of like a lower time frame level. So I mean, yeah, broski, wagwan, man. Yeah, let me see, Discord. Yeah, you should be alpha, man.
Yeah, you're still streaming, so you've been like here for what, 4 hours?
Hell no, bro. 2 hours, man. But like, I started late. Yeah, man. I feel you, Jay. I feel you. I feel you on that one. It's yeah, so like I was considering it before, because I was considering this to be the level on the hourly, right? But if we look at these candles, this one had no bottom wick. That means this probably just melted, right? So it didn't really respect anything here. And the same thing here, it melted off of this level and then just continued, right? So this wouldn't be the level, right? This would most likely be the level. So if that being said, hourly close respecting, right? Hourly close respecting. Hourly close respecting, and yeah, man. No, it's because even because I started late, man. I started at 8 o'clock instead of 7:30.
Ah, fuck, like
Mans was sick, man. Mans was sleeping. Yeah, how far now? You took any trades, yeah? Or you busy with your meetings?
I took one just now, but then it immediately just went back. I was like, fuck.
Man.
But other than that, I haven't had the luxury of time, unfortunately.
Yeah, man. Okay, when I'm not looking at GJ, it does something crazy, huh? Okay, so that's the 4-hour flipping, hourly flipping. Okay, so my ranges are fucked. Let's see.
It's fine. Okay.
Okay, so we're coming up on GJ. I mean, looking at this just as a 4-hour move, yeah, I rate it as a 4-hour move. But let's see the 15. So 15 is about to close as well. If I can get a 15-minute closure above here, we could get buys as well. But this might just let me see, where's the 4-hour highs? This might just push. What'd you say?
No, I said I'm not touching GG anymore. Like by this time, I'm out.
Yeah. Now because recently there's been volume later in the what's it called? Later in the session.
I mean, there's always volume later in the session, but my TPs are almost always hit like before like the New York, I think I want to say, like the Asian London session, they're almost always hit by that time. If not by that time, there's fuckery at play. Gotcha. So I just leave it.
Yeah, so I'm looking at let me see. This is 12 pips going up, right? Okay, so this is how many pips? 36, so I'll say like 40. Yeah, let's see how this 15-minute closes. Let's see how this 15 closes. Yeah. If this 15 can close above the level, I mean, where's the level? Yeah. That for full lame shit, I ain't with it. Oh man, such a sick close, bro. That's disgusting. Okay, so am I gonna buy 4-hour? So this would be a 4-hour trade, right? Okay, so
Way back up. That's crazy.
what happened?
No, I was saying
So
like it's crazy how this way back up.
30. So I would say if you're enter half risk if you're gonna enter the trade here, just because I mean the way we set up, it's not ideal. It's an entry, but the way it's not the most ideal setup.
Oh, by the way, I don't know if you are aware, but you have another viewer.
I have another what?
A random viewer.
Yeah, man like Jay, now the first official today we made history, you know. First official non-Ibadan boy with the inside the chat. Welcome.
So who's from Ibadan yet?
5. Okay, yeah, once this 5 makes a bottom wick, we tap into this level. Okay, cool. I'm gonna have a buy stop, right? I'm gonna have a buy stop set, but I'm gonna enter with partial risk. All right, I'm not gonna enter with full risk, because this I'm mainly looking at the 4-hour, right? I'm mainly looking at this 4-hour time frame as a reason for entry. So 30 as well, close 5. Yeah, so right now I'm gonna set a buy stop. Now gold with this. I've done GJ.
No.
GJ. Wagwan.
Oh, not you.
I'm gonna have a buy stop on GJ. What is this? Make sure you account for spreads as well. 109.43 or 42. Yeah, I'd say. Yeah, 109.43. 3. Cool. So I have my buy stop set on GJ. Let's see the 15. 15.5. Okay, so to have the best chances of this playing out, you would want this you want this 5 to close, you know, respecting this level, and you want the 15 to flip, right? So if we close bearish on the 15 without actually being activated into the trade, we're gonna delete the stops, the position. Volatility indexes, man, that means your level don't pass my own, sir. Your level don't pass my own. Show me volatility index again, man. Oh boy, that one not 2.0.
Well, let me not say no pairs, but most pairs at least, they're not really hard. It's just having a strategy that's suited to it.
Yeah, man. Wait, volatility index. Now just indices with that. What is that something more specific?
I think there's a specific pair like V75 or volatility index, but people call indices indexes as well. Like usually brokers will call them like index CFDs.
Yeah,
but
like
yeah, I'm pretty sure
The
specific pair
index
called
is
like,
not even what's throwing me off. It's the volatility part. Is that a special?
oh yeah, kinda.
Is that a special? But I mean, all the
It's the
indices
name of,
are volatile. But I don't know. Is that like a special jurisdiction of indices or?
I don't even know what it is, but I know it's a different pair.
Mm,
That's all I safely say without spreading misinformation.
oh, synthesized or synthetic
Synthetic.
indices. I have never heard that in my whole life. I won't lie to you. Financial
I
instruments
don't know.
created using mathematical formulas simulating price dynamics and market volatility. Really?
Mad.
Oh, that's crazy. Yeah, that's the first time I've ever heard of that. I'm not gonna lie. It's derived value from actual assets, unlike traditional indices which derive based on random number generation or other predetermined. Wait. So if I'm reading this correctly, so like I don't know, the movement on price on synthetic indices, it's not actually based on like world events or anything. It's just based off of a program. Search what is this? Derive implementation. Oh, okay. Yeah, so that goes on TradingView or something. Ah, yeah, that's a whole new thing, bro. hey, hey, yeah, that's a whole new thing for me, man.
Personally.
Gotcha. Okay. Yeah, that's tough still. That's tough. Yeah, the more you know. You learn something new every day. You learn something new every day. All right, this 5 here. I like the current formation on the 5. So this 5 close, we're respecting this level, and then this 5 we're creating a steeper bottom wick. So my stops are still open. My stops are still active. My stops are still active. But yeah, as soon as this 5 closes bearish, I'll delete it, and that'll be it for the stream. Hey, yeah, the gold move was the 5-minute one we were looking for, or not looking for, but it happened. 30. Yeah, it's starting to feel like I'm hunting a trade, which is never good. It's never good. So 15.5. Yeah, I just want this 5 to close. If this 5 closes bearish, even on the weekends, really. Yeah. If you're advertising for these people, they do work, sha, but I never heard of this joint in my life. I have to do some research on that. I'm gonna have to do some research on that. But thank you for the information. Thank you for the information. Much appreciated. So you just brother J, you just looking to see if you can get some extra profits, yeah, on in the forex market, and add to your riches, huh? The rich keep getting richer. Voila. The rich keep trying to get richer. Nice, nice, nice. You get content on your channel. I've been Jamaica, Wagwan me youth. Wagwan, why I say?
Can you still hear me?
Why I say, man?
Okay, I can hear myself.
What is it? Okay,
Yeah,
so sorry, this your, I don't know, your volume no loud for my side.
Okay.
You
can hear me, right?
like faintly, very faintly. But now let me delete this. I'm gonna delete the stops. Steady. Yeah, so let me I'm gonna delete these stops. Yeah, it's not looking good anymore, so say no bueno. Um Okay, so the last Hail Mary for the day would be a 30-minute close, right? This 30-minute close in this range, and then you would need a good pullback. You would need a good pullback to continue up. No, bro, I don't have a Telegram, man. Soon come though, soon come. This is more just for not journaling, but it's just more for the record, you know. I'm not too concerned with growing in that sense, right? Well, I want the community to grow eventually, right? But that's not the main concern right now, right? It's more just taking the trades, keeping accountable and all that. But soon come though, soon come. By God's grace, you know, hopefully soon come. And if you're here with us, man, appreciate you. You're one of the first, you'll be one of the pioneers, you know, from when we reach the top. When we at the top of the mountain, your fraction of the spoils will be more, since you started from the ground up, you know. Appreciate you. Appreciate your time. Let's see. Yeah, man, I don't want to draw it out longer than I have to, man, because appreciate you, brother. Appreciate you.
I'd leave it if I were you.
Appreciate you, my guy. I don't know if you have let me see. You have content on your channel too or no? I'm gonna subscribe either way. Gotcha. Yeah, man. God, if I feel you, I get with you to talk, man. Yeah, I don't think there's anything. I don't think there's anything here, man. Yeah, might as well save some capital for tomorrow, because tomorrow we have PPI, we have unemployment as well. Where is that? Thursday. Yeah, so tomorrow we have heavy news, right? We have retail.
Any jobless?
Yeah, we got jobless claims as well, and retail sales, core PPI. So tomorrow we should see some good volume. So we might as well just save some capital, huh? Yeah, we might as well just save some capital. Yeah, so let me just update the current profit. Slow but steady, you know, slow but steady. What is it? 90 what? 96? 96. Slow but steady. We're not in a rush. We're not in a rush at all. Appreciate it. You already know, man. You already know. Same time, same time. Okay, so 30-minute close. We could see this 30-minute rush up. To be honest, we could. It's very possible, just based off of how I know gold usually moves in these later hours. You could see it flip here, right? We'll see a quick push to this level, and then we'll probably reject and then start consolidating, right? Just based off of how I've seen gold move in the past. But yeah, I don't like the form. I don't like how it's forming, you know. I don't like how it's forming, to be honest. Yeah, so now we flipped. I'm actually happy to flip that quick. So now I don't even have to think about it. So there's no way I'm getting in this trade now. So if we drive, we drive, right? The markets are gonna be here tomorrow, so no need to stress. Even if you miss a move today, it was never your move if you never had an entry, right? So until the next one. But yeah, nah, man, brother Jay, appreciate you, my brother. Angelo, this guy see the Ruski. You still in the car?
Yeah, I'm here.
Yeah,
I
man.
think I'm delayed on your stream because
What happened? What's going on, man? Yeah, man, you're
can you
on.
hear me?
Okay, yeah, now I can hear you.
Yeah, there's a mad delay on your stream.
Okay. I mean, I'll try and work on the. Wait, when you say mad delay, how much of a delay? Yeah, you're
Like a good 10, 15 seconds, maybe even longer.
50 seconds word. Yeah, that's tough. Yeah, I have to go and work on that.
Let's say 10.
Oh, 10. Okay.
No, 15.
Ah, gotcha. Okay. Yeah, nah, but that's gonna be it for me. But we're gonna be back again next well, not next week, tomorrow. So what do you do? Yeah, I need to get out my audio sorted out. I don't know. The Discord audio isn't as clear for some reason. Yeah, I'm gonna get that sorted out. But for now, I'm gonna sign off. We're back again tomorrow, 7:30 a.m. Eastern. I believe 12:30 p.m. Watts. And my brother, I'm not sure what's. Hold on, let me see. Jamaica. Let me see. 9:33. Oh, so you guys are like an hour behind. So Jamaican time, 6:30 a.m. Yeah. 6:30 a.m. Jamaican.
Can you hear me now? Like, am I like on time?
Yeah, I can hear you now. I
had to leave the YouTube stream.
What happened?
I don't know why, but when I just mute you on Discord and then try and hop on YouTube, it's mad delayed.
Oh, gotcha. Man. All right, man. Appreciate your time. And yeah, so same thing tomorrow, 7:30 a.m. Eastern, 1:30 or 12:30 p.m. Watts. And yeah, we run it back tomorrow. Same thing, same strategy, same discipline. And yeah, stay profitable, guys. Until the next one.
Anyway. Opportunities. Bruh. Pause.